All right, ready? Let's go.
I think I'd rather push.
Okay. Fucking push. I don't give a shit.
You're in the way, Charlie. Let's go. Ready? Yeah. It's falling apart. You know what? Put it up on its end. Just shove it up. I mean, it's as deep here as it is anyplace else. Just roll the fucking thing over there. Vic. God damn it, Roy. That was just blind fucking luck, you asshole.
Give me a hand, Oglis. I'm all stiff. Now, as promised.
Well, Roy, the good news is you're out of the trunk. The bad news is you're down 4 quarts of blood and your gun's empty.
I'm gonna kill you anyway. Yeah. Hold this.
It's an unrealistic goal, Roy. You're dead, Roy. Don't just stand there pretending you're not.
Jesus Christ, Charlie! Throw me a rope or something! I can't swim!
I'm thinking, no. You were gonna kill me, right, Vic?
You asshole! Jesus, you're stupid! All right, that's it! Fuck you!